So hello YouTube viewers and welcome back. It's 75 here, aka Michi Wichi. I would like to thank my new subscribers, all subscribers and viewers for subscribing, for rating, for favoring, for your comments, for the support. I really appreciate it. Today I got you a video on how I made my sofrito. You guys know that it's low budget productions. And it's overdue because they be asking me how to make sofrito, etc. You know. So, I'm going to share with you how I do it. So, if you want to see this, please stay tuned. Hola, queridos amigos que tú sintonizas de nuevo aquí en SM5 Acas Michi Wichi. Bienvenidos al canal. Estamos en la cocina. Va a ser un videito rápido de cocina. Voy a hacer sofrito, ¿ok? Espero que les guste. Hace tiempo me pidieron la receta de sofrito, de cómo yo lo hago. So, ustedes saben que es low budget, a bajo presupuesto. So, les voy a enseñar o voy a compartir con ustedes cómo hago el sofrito. Así que si desean ver esto, por favor, quédate en sintonía. Okay, people, so real quick, I have my green peppers. I got my onions. I got my cilantro leaves right here. I got my fresh garlic. My sweet peppers. And my, they call it culantro here, okay, but it's recao, you know. And I'm also gonna use avocado oil, but if you have olive oil or whatever, you can. Or actually, well, maybe not. We'll see. We'll see how as I go, okay. If it makes a lot of liquid, I won't use the oil, okay. Anyway, tengo aquí los ingredientes, los pimientos verdes, tengo el cilantro, tengo la cebolla, tengo los sweet peppers. Los pimientos dulces, tengo el culantro que le dicen aquí en los Estados Unidos, pero nosotros le decimos recao, ok, y maybe use el aceite, pero depende, si hace mucha agüita, you know, si no me da trabajo mezclarlo, pues no uso el aceite, si me da trabajo uso el aceite. So, anyway, quédense en sintonía. Okay people, so make sure you wash your vegetables. Clearly I recommend to wash your vegetables. You don't want any dirt or bugs in your sofrito, okay, in your cooking base. Asegúrense de lavar los vegetales. Ustedes saben, ustedes no quieren ningún insecto o tierra en su sofrito, okay. So here I just washed them, and I decided to do 3 bell peppers, the 2 onions, the cilantro o recao. No, sorry. The cilantro, the recao, and the garlic, which I'm going to add it. It's right here. There you go. Decidí hacer 2 cebollas, cilantro, recao y como 3 pimientos verdes y los otros 4, ¿ok? Y el ajo para hacer el sofrito. Okay people, so at the beginning of the video, I don't know if you noticed that I had 2 onions and the color of those onions were yellow. I was trying to blend the onions in, because I learned this trick from Ana Maris Melendez. Shout out to her. You know, she explained that when you blend the onions first, the onions release, since it's watery, the onions release the water, and it's easier for the other ingredients to blend. So I was trying to do that, and in the process it messed up. So now in this footage you're gonna see that I switched the onions, because when I was trying to push all the ingredients in, or trying to push the onion in, my other spoon got caught up in the blade and it was a whole mess. So I needed to change the onion. I needed to clean everything up and change the onion. So that's what you're gonna see, okay? Mi gente, no sé si se acuerdan que al principio tenía 2 cebollas amarillas. Tuve que cambiar las cebollas a cebollas lila, violeta o moradas, porque yo aprendí el truco de Ana Maris Meléndez, que ella dijo, ella tiene un videito allá de sofrito, saludos a ella, de que si uno tritura la cebolla primero en el osterizer, es más fácil para los otros vegetales que se mezclen y no vas a necesitar agua o aceite. So, yo estaba tratando de hacer el método de ella, pero en el proceso pues como que me estancó un par de cebollas, traté de empujarla con la cuchara y se jodió. Anyways, so ahora en este proceso pues cambié la cebolla a cebolla morada, violeta o lila, ¿ok? Así que quédense así. Bueno, vamos a intentar esto de nuevo. Ustedes saben que el diablo siempre está, la cola del diablo siempre está por ahí. Pero vamos a intentar esto de nuevo. Vamos a ver. Déjame ver. Ok. Espero que lo vean ahí. Déjame echarme aquí. Y ahora mi esposo está volando las hojas del patio. Espérense. Okay, I'm gonna mix them. Okay. So, little by little, I'm gonna be adding the onions up. And again, I learned this technique from Ana Maris Melendez. I'm gonna try to put the name at the bottom of the video or in the information box, okay? Yo aprendí este truco de Ana Maris Melendez. She said that when you put the onion first, when you blend the onion first, it's easier for the other vegetables to blend, and then you won't need either oil or water. So I'm trying that, okay? All right, so let's see. Let me stop it completely and let me go forward. Okay, I'll be back when I finish kind of blending in the onions, okay? Voy a regresar cuando termine de triturar o mezclar la cebolla. Quédense en sintonía. Stay tuned. Okay, people, I'm back. And as you can see, it's creating the water that we need. As you can see, it's creating the water that we need. Watery consistency. The onion is releasing the water or the liquid. So now I'm going to be adding my other vegetables. Okay. And again, shout out to Ana Maris Melendez. That's her channel. She have a bunch of stuff in there. Saludos. Ok, mi gente, como pueden ver, ya la cebolla pues realizó el agua. Ahora vamos a añadir los otros ingredientes. Y esta idea yo la adquirí de Ana Maris Melendez. El canal es Ana Maris Melendez. Saludos y gracias a ella por la idea. Ok. So I'm going to add my garlic. I'm going to mix in. Stop it completely and move it. I don't want my spoon to break again. I had another spoon and it broke in the first video clip. That's why I swish, once again, the onions. You guys already know. Tengo que meterle poquito a poquito porque en la primera toma, al principio, pues traté de moverlo así con la cuchara y la apagué. Traté de moverlo así apagado con la cuchara o lo que sea y me reventó la cuchara. Anyway, so vamos al mambo. Let's go. Voy a bajar esto para que le meta aquí. And push this down, turn it off, turn it back on. So without water, you know, it takes a little bit of you have to maneuver a little bit, okay? Sin agua, pues tienen que hacer un poquito de maneuver, aunque la cebolla está soltando el agua. Okay? Ok, vamos. Vamos que tú puedes. Vamos, vamos, vamos. Apago, vuelvo de nuevo. Lo hundo. Lo meto. You know, I put it a little bit down. Remember to turn this off, you know, occasionally. And once again, Zumba. Put some more vegetables in there. Okay, all right, all right, all right. We will see movement, we see movement. Yes. Vemos movimiento. Ok, ok. Vemos movimiento, seguimos. Seguimos. Sí, paramos, no. Ok. Vamos. Vamos a meterle. Vamos. Vamos. We put all the ingredients in there. Algunas veces uno trata de hacer las cosas y Dios se ríe. Pero yo soy luchadora, you know. Yo no dejo que me controle nada. Vamos a seguir. We fall down and we get up, okay? We fall down and we get up, okay? So, let's go. All right, so as you can see, it's moving. The mixture is moving. We're doing an awesome job right now. And I thought that, you know, all my yellow onion was over, but I guess I left a piece. So I'm going to add it up. Yo pensé que toda mi cebolla amarilla pues ya se iba a ajuste con el error que cometí al principio, pero no. Gracias a Dios encontré otro cantito de cebolla amarilla y se la vamos a zumbar. Okay. And we're gonna push it down. We're gonna, I'm mixing right now. I have it in the button. I'm mixing. Good. Now purees. One more time. All right. I come back, people. Voy a regresar. Okay, people. So this is the final result. And I'm going to put mine in a glass bottle in the refrigerator. And then the rest, I'm going to put it in the freezer in an ice cube, in a cubeta. In a ice cube tray. There you go, ice cube tray. Alright, so sorry. So, it's very thick. I think I'm going to need... maybe with the spoon. Hold on a minute, 1 minute, guys. Okay. So let me see, how can I do this so you guys can see? Sorry. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna put this in an ice cube tray that I don't use, clearly, you know, that I use only for storage, not for ice cubes. I'm gonna put it right here. So this one I will put it in the freezer, and then the other one I will put it in the refrigerator because I'm going to use it. It smells very good. And this sofrito or cooking base, this is our Puerto Rican cooking base. You can use it on beans, stews. You can use it on pretty much everything. You know, you can season with it, and then of course season with some salt and black pepper, etc. This will give it a nice taste. You know, so but we use it usually for stews. When we're gonna do also on the holidays, when we do arroz con gandules, when we do the arroz con gandules, or you know, rice and beans together, not separately, we also use this. Please stop. Okay. And cover this up, but pretty much like this. See? Ahí estamos con el sofrito, and then I'm gonna put the rest in this container. Stop. You already ate. Pretty much that's it. We have our sofrito here, homemade sofrito, and homemade sofrito in our ice cube trays. So this has been 75, aka Wichi. Support, thumb it up, bye bye and take care. Esta ha sido 5, acá es Michi Wichi. Y sigue sintonizando. Bye bye y cuídese.